In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy more Runway ML credits. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Runway ML and press enter. On the results page, look for the official Runway ML website. It should clearly mention Runway and not be an ad from an unrelated service. Click that official result to continue. Once the site loads, sign in to your account. Use the same login you normally use for Runway. If you're prompted for authentication, complete it to reach your workspace. At the top right corner of the page, click your profile icon. This is usually a small avatar or initial. A menu will open. From there, head into your account or workspace settings. Inside your dashboard, navigate to the Plans and Billing section. This page is where Runway manages subscriptions, invoices, and credit information. If you don't land there immediately, look for a sidebar or settings tab labeled Billing or Plans to open it. Scroll down until you see the credits area. Here you can view your current credit balance and, in many cases, your recent usage. This is helpful for understanding how quickly you're going through credits and deciding how much more you'll need. Next, select the Get Credits button. This takes you to the credit and plan options. The exact label can vary slightly, but you're looking for the option that lets you add credits or increase your monthly allowance. To get more monthly credits, choose a new plan that fits your workflow. Higher tiers typically include larger monthly credit bundles and sometimes lower effective cost per credit. Take a moment to compare the included credits, the monthly price, and any additional features that might be relevant to your projects. Make sure the plan you pick aligns with the kinds of generations you run most often. When you've made your selection, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the plan change. You may be asked to confirm the billing cycle, review the total, and verify your payment method. Read the summary carefully so you know when charges will apply and when the new credits become available. After confirming, give the page a moment to refresh, then return to the Plans and Billing section to verify that your credit balance and plan have updated. If the balance doesn't change right away, a quick refresh usually helps. And that's it. Your account should now have the additional Runway ML credits you need.